Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I wanted to crack open the acrylic paints and paint a sailboat. It's on the water, and it's from a perspective of you're standing on the land looking out, but there's some trees over your head, kind of hanging out over the water. Um, I just really was drawn to the photographs, so I wanted to try it. It was a really fun painting to work on. I used a wet mop brush with my acrylic paints this time to try and get the sky in. I started out really light and built up the layers. After you lay down the color, rinse out the brush and wring it out pretty good to where it's still damp but not very. And then you can go over and blend the colors together a little bit, soften up the edges in your sky with the mop brush. I had thought I had restarted the camera after I had let it dry for a minute, and then I looked up and figured out that I actually didn't start the camera, so there's a little footage lost of me going back over the water, um, adding in horizontal lines. And here I'm using a lighter color to help soften the look of the lines a little bit, because I felt it was a little too contrasting. And then adding in a little bit of reflection from the land in the back. I just keep reworking the water over and over again, and I probably should have just left it alone. But I can't help myself sometimes. And here's the little sailboat. It's way off in the distance, so it's hard to get the little details in, but, well, you don't put in a ton of details for something that's really far away, but enough detail to tell that that's a sailboat. And don't forget to give it a little shadow on the water. And now I'm using a pastel pencil to draw in the branches from the trees that are hanging over our view. And I apologize, I did it again, thinking I had it recording when I didn't. I mixed blues and yellows to make greens. Also, black and yellow makes a good olive green. I didn't use any tube green. Well, actually, I didn't use any color on this painting straight out of the tube. All my colors I mix. I have primary blue, primary yellow, primary red, white, and black. And I also have burnt umber to mix my own colors with. I just happen to enjoy that process. That's why I don't tell you use blah, whatever color, blah, blah, blah. You can mix your colors. If you don't have a specific color, more than likely you have the paint in which to mix it yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.